OnePlus 10 Pro is official Snapdragon 8 Generation 180W charging and LTPO 2.0 display. The OnePlus 10 Pro made its official debut in China on 11th January 2022. The 10 Pro camera was once again developed jointly with Hasselblad. The main sensor is 48MP Sony IMX789. The 50MP Samsung Generation 1 sits behind the 150-degree lens of the ultra-wide shooter. So this is Ashfaq Ahmed and you're watching Techno Hash, so let's get started. The screen of the phone is 6.7 LTPO 2.0 AMOLED screen of 1440p resolution. The panel supports an adaptive refresh rate anywhere from 1Hz to 120Hz, and the second generation LTPO panel allows to decrease the frame rate even more cases, boosting the battery savings. OnePlus 10 Pro comes with ColorOS 12.1 based on Android 12 in China, but we expect its global version to still be running Oxygen OS. The phone chipset is Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, which is hardly a surprise. It will be coupled with 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB or 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. During the event, the company spent nearly 20 minutes talking about the feature called HyperBoost. It allows you to push the hardware to the limit for gaming purpose, and there are some tools for overclocking the CPU, which simply means locking all 8 cores at their maximum frequency. The Hasselblad partnership brings Natural Color Optimization 2.0, which promises the colors will be even more closer to real life. There is also Pro Mode 2.0 RAW shooting mode. The 10 Pro camera was once again developed jointly with Hasselblad. The main sensor is 48MP Sony IMX789. The 50MP Samsung Generation 1 sits behind the 150-degree lens of the ultra-wide shooter. The cooling will also come in handy for charging, as the 5000 mAh battery comes with 80W fast wire charging, fastest ever for the brand and nearly 25% increase for the standard in the predecessor. OnePlus 10 Pro is launching first in China with 2 color options, black and green. The panel has sandstone finish like some classic OnePlus phones. One thing is for sure, they are not regular glass backs. Price starts from Chinese yuan 4699 for the base 8GB 128GB version, which translates to $737 or €650. The top 12GB 256GB model of the equivalent of $831 and €733. OnePlus did not reveal the specific of a potential global launch, while local landing pages says open sale starts this spring. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.